Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make omelette mushroom full guide. Crack 3 eggs into a bowl, add a pinch of salt and pepper, and whisk until slightly frothy. Heat a non-stick pan with a little butter or oil, sauté sliced mushrooms until golden, then pour eggs and cook gently. Fold the omelette and slide onto a plate, garnish with herbs, and serve warm with toast or salad. Gather your ingredients: eggs, mushrooms, butter or oil, salt, pepper, and optional cheese or herbs. Clean and slice mushrooms thinly so they cook quickly and evenly. Crack eggs into a bowl, season lightly, and whisk until combined and slightly airy. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add butter or oil to coat the surface before adding mushrooms to sauté until golden and fragrant. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical cooking tips. Quick recommendation: on another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control helps keep countertops and floors crumb-free so you can focus on cooking, not sweeping. It's a handy kitchen companion and worth checking out. Look in the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start by sautéing mushrooms until they release moisture and brown slightly to deepen flavor. Reduce heat to medium-low before adding whisked eggs so they cook gently and stay tender. Use a spatula to lift edges as the eggs set, tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath for even cooking. Add cheese or herbs just before folding, then fold the omelette and slide it onto a warm plate to serve immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.